Do you know that the average Filipino generation about 0.5 kilograms of trash per day? That's a lot of waste. As a student, we have the power to make a change. Today, I want to talk to you about something simple yet significant, segregating trash at school.
So what can you do to help? Start by making a conscious effort to segregate your trash at school. Use to segregate trash bins, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable and recyclable materials. Encourage your friends and classmates to do the same. Together we can make difference and create a cleaner, greener and healthier environment for ourselves and future generations.
We all know that trash is a major problem in our country. When we don't segregate the trash, it ends up in the ocean, harming marine life and contaminating food chains. Moreover, mixed trash is difficult to recycle, and it most ends up in landfills. This is not only harm the environment but also affect our health and well-being.
So what can we do? The answer is simple. Segregate our trash by separating our trash in different categories. Biodegradable, non-biodegradable, recyclable, and residual. We can reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. This also needs conserve natural resources, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and create jobs in recycling industry.
Let's search this amount to make a change. Remember, every small action counts, and together we can achieve greatness.
Protect and love Mother Nature.
Thank you.